Yeah.
Okay.
What's up, guys? We got Hunter and Logan. Or Hunter and Tristan.
Dang. Shout out Logan.
Sorry, Logan.
So these are our entry packs. This is for my one LCQ, which I won deck profile soon, and then these are from Hunter's
Multiple L's. Yeah.
L's.
L's.
All right, so Hunter will start.
Still the venue, a little loud.
They cannot hear you over there.
Exactly.
Ooh, a rare. All right, do another one since I'm not too.
I'll mix it up.
Sorry for my shaky hands, guys.
I already ruined
Rares
it.
in the front.
I already ruined
With
it.
that fire dog. All right, we'll go with me now. Oh God, these are so hard to fucking open.
Yeah, they're bitch.
All right. We got a Miracle Fusion, 6 Samurai, and a Rare Wolf. You might need to put that in lights more.
Let's go, boys.
Let's go. Max rarity.
You want me to do another one?
Yeah, just do 2 more, and then I'll end it.
Let's pull an Ulti JD. How about that?
Oh, is it coming this?
I think so. Triple pack 5? Yeah.
Oh, broken. Manju. Oh, Manju's like $5. And a Trenchel. Trenchel's good. That was a good pack. That's like worth money.
That's alright. Fucking
Broken. Baby Dragon.
boom.
Oh, this card's broken.
Let's go.
In a future format. All right, last pack.
Here we go. Let's get something spicy. It's not spicy.
Cyber Elton, and let's go.